Animal Welfare by Dunkin. There is no excuse for animal abuse. Tonight I'm going to inform you about the 3 different types of animal welfare that are most important to me. The first type of animal welfare is animal abuse, which is one of the most important to me. Too many animals are being neglected from food, water, shelter, and love by their owners. People are abusing animals by putting duct tape around their mouth, hitting and stabbing them, and leaving them in cages all day. Hoarding is another form of abuse. For example, having too many animals in a single place. Puppy mills, livestock factories, and too many animals per an acre are all examples of hoarding. The public offers a variety of reasons why animal cruelty should be taken seriously. The largest number of 32% indicates the tougher law against animal cruelty should be supported because of such behavior was indicated of violence in the home. Other 30% responsible that cruelty was simply wrong and that defenseless animals should not be subjected to such treatment. And 17% responded that the most important argument was that such acts provided indicators of juveniles who were at risk of becoming involved in other violent crimes, said Frank. The second type of animal welfare is the production of animals, and it's mostly about livestock. Livestock is how we get our food, from cows, lambs, goats, rabbits, and chickens. Market animals are sold to individual companies to produce food we eat. These animals are mostly from 4-H and FFA projects. They also come from farms that produce the product. The potential benefits are huge. Animals that produce more offspring yield more meat and cost less to raise. However, there are some complications. Pigs are having more piglets, up to 14 instead of the usual 8. But hundreds of those newborns, too frail or crowded to move, are being crushed each year by their mother's rollover. Cows, which normally bear 1 calf at a time, have been retooled to have twins and triplets, which often emerge as weakness or deformed, dying in such numbers that even meat producers have been repulsed, per the U.S. Research Lab. Breeding animals are being pumped with many hormones and reproduction products. This is so they can produce more than 1 baby. This is very hard on the animal because they are not supposed to have more than God had intended. We are losing more and more offspring due to the extreme breeding. As the world becomes more ecological minded, the consequence of the importance of biodiversity, it must be expected that more species will be protected. The effect of the protection will usually include an increase in the numbers of the protected species. At least this is foreseeable possibility. Per Animal Welfare by Speedy. The third animal welfare is the animal right law, and it is very important. We must set limits so animals do not get tortured and abused for personal satisfaction. We must protect animals so those who harm them will be punished. These 3 types are very important to me because I am very passionate about animals, feelings, and rights. We should not hurt them, neglect them, abuse them, or disrespect animals for our personal satisfaction or entertainment. Unique to animal agriculture is the human relationship. Through the centuries, animals and humans have formed partnerships. In many parts of the world, and virtual independence vital to the survival of both humans and animals have developed. In the Western countries, animal agriculture is a substantial source of food in the agrarian part of the economic and society. Animal agriculture today, however, exists in the world in transition, one shaped by consumers' concerns and interest in the environment and the well-being of animals. governmental interventions of certain of climate and emergencies of global market for both feeding grain and the production of animal agriculture, for the humane issue of animal agriculture. Thank you.